guys! Welcome back to our channel, Kurt Dashing Adventures, and for today's video, mag-share na naman kami ng another cafe experience na na-visit namin dito sa Antipolo, Rizal. This is called the Bean Spot and located lang sila sa Espacio de San Isidro Commercial Center, San Isidro, Antipolo, Rizal. Upon entering the cafe, you will feel the warm and welcoming vibe that will make you feel at home. It is also the kind of cafe that will make you want to sit back, relax, and enjoy the moment. Aside from the air-conditioned dining area, they also have an alfresco dining here. This is good if you want to feel the breeze outside or you're bringing your pets with you. The menu in this cafe goes beyond coffee kasi meron din sila ditong ramen that's perfect for rainy days. Meron din silang croffles, rice meals, and of course, your favorite cafe drinks and pastries. For ramen, we tried their tempura ramen and miso ramen. The broth is rich and flavorful, though the noodles is a bit on the saggy side. Sana ma-improve to next time. We also tried their rice meals, and ang favorite namin is their bestseller, which is the chicken a la king and the creamy mushroom chicken. Both are creamy, tasty, and served in generous portions. Sa coffee naman, we tried their Arabica coffee, Biscoff latte, iced caramel macchiato, iced latte, and iced Milo espresso. We also had their Milk Tea Premium Blend, which is the Okinawa. Masarap din yung drinks nila dito kasi creamy tapos hindi masyadong matamis. On top of all that, the prices are super affordable, which makes it even more worth coming back. Kaya naman, if you are catching up with friends, working remotely, or just looking for a cozy escape, we highly recommend that you visit the Bean Spot here in Antipolo. So ayun muna guys, and thank you for tagging along with us for our cafe review. And baka may mga cafe recommendations din kayo dyan, you can drop it in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Follow us in TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram, Kurt Dashing Adventures, where adventure never ends. Till next time, goodbye!